Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford Taurus SHO. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 165,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.